Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just need to do a little bit of work on my 06 smart car that you may have seen on my channel that I'm restoring. It's currently minus 21 degrees and I need to move the tractor out of the garage so I can get a little bit of work done on the smart car. So this is going to be a cold start. Again, it's minus 21, it's freezing out, and the tractor hasn't been going for a week or so, and we're expecting some snow on Friday. It's currently Thursday, so tomorrow. So I want to make sure the battery's all charged up and that the tractor's running fine. And you always got to remember to turn on the fuel. I always turn it off when I'm not using it. And let's give her a shot. Again, it's freezing. Give it a little bit of fuel. Again, the choke's out, the key's on. So again, that's just a little cold start of the 52 4-8N. Again, it's minus 21 degrees Celsius. And I just need to take this out of the garage so I can do a little bit of work on my smart car. Again, it's supposed to get some snow tomorrow, so I wanted to make sure the tractor's running fine, that the battery's charged, and I'll let this run for probably 10 minutes or so out in the driveway here to charge up the battery a little bit too. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Again, it's just a little cold start of the old 52 4-8, and take care.